The Ferrari California, Type F149, is a grand touring, high-performance sports car created by the Italian automobile manufacturer Ferrari. It is a two-door 2+2 hardtop convertible. When originally unveiled in 2008, the California was powered by a front mid-mounted, rear-wheel drive, naturally aspirated 4.3-liter V8. In 2012, a lighter, slightly more powerful variant, the California 30, was introduced. In 2014, Ferrari announced the second generation of the model, named California T, powered by a new twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8.